Hey guys, good morning. Alright, I know that we've already done some math today. You guys took your math test over measurement, but we're going to go ahead and start talking about the new thing that we're going to learn, which is called data. That's what's on your screen there, data. Sometimes they call it data. They can say it different ways, data or data. But that's what skill we're going to be working on next in math. And when we work with data, it's just a way for people to show information that people can look at it and see it very easily and be able to read it and know like which one's more, which one's the most, which one's the least. That's what we use data for. And we're going to go ahead and look at some ways that you can show information with data. And the first way is going to be with a tally chart. And we're going to make a tally chart today. And I bet you noticed the what's on your screen now. These were the stories that you could vote for. So you could find out which story we were going to work on. Well, we're about to find out which stories we're going to read this next week. Because we're going to make a tally chart. And you're going to be able to tell really fast which one had the most votes, okay? Alright, so when we make a tally chart, we make something called tallies. And I bet you have seen tallies before. Have you ever seen anything that kind of looks like that? Yeah, those are tallies. Tallies are just lines that are drawn to show how many things are there. That's all a tally is. And you've probably made tally charts before, and I know you've seen them. So I'm going to make a tally chart to show the data that we found when we wanted to know which story most people voted for. So, drum roll please. Here is the votes that we had for the stories. Alright, so Cold Dog, or Hot Dog Cold Fox, got this many votes. And Lola and Tiva got this many votes. I Fall Down got no votes, so I'm not going to put any tallies. Wild Weather got 1 vote. Rainforests got no votes, so I won't put any tallies. Turtle Watch Out got this many votes. And then Not Norman also got no votes. So these were the votes that were shown, and this is the data I'm showing you to see how many votes there were. I bet you can look really quick and tell which one had the most votes. Yes, it was Hot Dog Cold Fox. It got the most because it has the most tallies. Now, how many votes did Hot Dog Cold Fox get? That is the number 6. Because this little shape or all these lines that I drew with a line that goes across like that, that stands for 5. Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you get to 5, you put a cross one like that to show 5. So it has 5 and 1 more, which makes 6. So Hot Dog Cold Fox got 6. How many votes did Lola and Tiva get? Yeah, they got 5, because remember, when you see the lines like this and then the one line that goes across, that means 5. We know they got 0. What about Wild Weather? Yeah, I just had 1. What about Rainforests? Yep, 0. What about Turtle Watch Out? Yep, it had 4 because there's 4 tallies. And then Not Norman got 0. Do tally charts look or sound that confusing? No, it's just a way for you to show data, to show how much of something there is. That's all it is. And tally charts are just a way to do that. So when we look at our story here in a little while, I told you I would pick the 2 that had the most votes. Which 2 stories are we going to be working with this week? Yep, Hot Dog Cold Fox and Lola and Tiva, because it had the most. This one had 6 and that one had 5. That is the most. All right, let's look at another tally chart I made. All right, on this tally chart, I was wanting to do some grocery shopping, and I was looking around in my cupboards trying to see how many things that I had. Would I need to buy any more? So I made a tally chart to show what's in my cupboard. Would I need any more? And this is my tally chart that I made. So really quick, let's just look at what I have and look at what data this shows. So, how many cans of chicken noodle soup did I have in my cupboard? Very good. 2, because there's 2 tallies. How many Capri Suns did I have in the fridge? Very good, just 1. How many cans of Mellow Yellow do I have? Since there's no tallies, that means none. There's 0. How many packs of ramen noodles? Good, that one's 6. Because remember, when you have something that looks like this and it has the line across, that means 5. So 5 and 1 more is 6. All right, and then how many Lunchables were in the fridge? Yep, 4. Very good. All right, I'm going to ask you some questions about this tally chart. My first question is, which grocery item do I have the most of? Very good. It would be the most ramen noodles because that one has the most tallies. Very good. What about which grocery item do I have the least of? Oh, it's not Capri Suns. It would be the cans of Mellow Yellow. Good, because there's none, and that would definitely be the least. Good. I thought maybe some people would say Capri Suns because it's only 1, but 0 is less than 1. So it would be the cans of Mellow Yellow is the least. If I was going to the store, let's see, how many things do I have to drink at my house? How many things would I have to drink? Good. I should just have 1 thing because Capri Suns and Mellow Yellow are the only things here that you can drink. And 1 plus nothing would be 1, so I just have 1 thing to drink. How many things do I have to eat at my house? How many things would I have to eat at my house? Did you get 12? How did I get 12? Well, because I have 6 packs of ramen noodles and 4 Lunchables. 6 plus 4 would be 10, and then I also have some chicken noodle soup, 2 of those. 10 plus 2 would be 12. The other 2 things on my list are things that don't eat, I drink them. So good, I would have 12 things to eat in my cupboard. Thank you. Very good. All right, so I've got one more question about this tally chart. How many more packs of ramen noodles do I have than cans of chicken noodle soup? Think about that one. How many more ramen noodles do I have than cans of chicken noodle soup? Did you get 3? How did I get 3? Well, oh, wait a minute. I bet it wouldn't be 3, would it? I bet it's 4 because there are 6 packs of ramen noodles and there's only 2 things of chicken noodle soup. How many more means I would need to subtract it to see how many's left. 6 take away 2 would be 4. There we go. So you're right, I have 4 more packs of ramen noodles than I do chicken noodle soup. Very good. All right, so your assignment today is going to be using tally charts to answer some questions. I think you're going to be fine with this, but if you need any help, remember you can give me a call and I can help you. You'll see that it's a page in your math book. Good luck on these tally charts, and we're going to talk more about them on Monday too, okay? All right, bye guys.